Welcome to a minimalist retreat house located in Australia. With a unique design, this home is a modern interpretation of a Victorian terrace, brought to life by Rob Kennan Architects. The house blends effortlessly into its urban setting while maintaining privacy. Its external facade features a bold yet restrained material palette, including dark brickwork and timber cladding. The front section of the house preserves the traditional Victorian style, while the rear extension is where contemporary design takes center stage. The contrast between old and new is executed with precision. As you step inside, you're greeted by a seamless flow between spaces. The architect skillfully designed an open-plan layout that enhances connectivity and maximizes natural light. At the heart of the home is the kitchen, dining and living area. These spaces are unified by polished concrete floors and expansive glazing that opens up to the garden, allowing for an indoor-outdoor living experience. The ceiling height varies throughout the house, creating a sense of intimacy in some areas, while opening up dramatically in others. The emphasis on horizontal lines played a key role in the design strategy, enhancing the sense of space and openness. One standout feature of the house is the custom timber joinery that provides both storage and texture, adding warmth to the minimalist interior design. The zoning of the spaces was carefully designed to maintain visual connection and flow. A perfect example is the open metal shelving, which elegantly and lightly separates the living area from the dining and kitchen. The house embraces a minimalist aesthetic, with shades of gray and white that highlight the greenery both inside and out. The architecture creates a space that invites an appreciation of nature. The external storage spaces are cleverly concealed with wooden slats, creating a seamless unity with the facade and blending harmoniously with the low street fence. Simple details like these contribute to the overall visual harmony of the design. Upstairs, the bedrooms are thoughtfully arranged, providing privacy and quietude. The master suite overlooks the garden, offering a peaceful sanctuary away from the bustle of city life. The bathrooms are elegantly designed, featuring terrazzo tiles and natural wood elements that reflect the home's overall aesthetic of understated luxury. The house perfectly balances modern functionality with respect for its historical context. It is a space that feels both current and timeless. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.